Okay, so I have glued the plastic onto this guy. I also glued some plastic onto this guy back here. And I cut out a few just little contrasting decorations out of wool felt. I like it to be fairly simple. So this little girl is going to have these colors and then some jewels along it. And this little guy is going to have a little bit bolder colors, a little bit less feminine look to them. But you can do anything you want, just have fun with it. So what I'm going to do now is I am going to use glue and glue just a little dot at the back just to tack down each piece. Because what we're going to do is we're going to sew right along the edge on each piece. Sorry, I didn't catch that. Right along the edge on each piece, which is about a 1/8 of an inch seam allowance. So I'll do a seam allowance along this edge as well as around this little heart. I'm going to use white thread just because I think that'll give a sweet little contrast, but you can use any color you'd like. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go use my glue gun and tack each piece down, just a little tiny spot on each one just so they don't move around while I'm sewing. And then I am going to sew these guys with a 1/8 inch seam allowance, and we will continue on after that.